So we're going to have a strategic overview. Then we're going to look at Facebook. We're going to look at microblogging, LinkedIn, video marketing, audio marketing, and image marketing. And then, due to the dominance and the importance of Facebook, we're going to revisit Facebook and look at Facebook strategy development. That's what we're going to cover in this video. So let's get to it. Really implant this social media marketing cycle, because the only reason why we're going to be on social media, it's for our business. There has to be a purpose and a reason for all the activities that we go through and that take place in relation to our business within social media. So these are divided into these four main aspects. And so we'll talk about each of them and then do a summary before we move on. So there has to be a selling aspect. We're not just there to entertain, we're to sell. So we need to have the lead generation aspect. And to have a lead generation aspect, we need to have an understanding of who our target market customer is. And we've already gone to the Google Keyword Tool. We already have our bank of keywords. We understand what customers are typing in. So we're aware of who we're actually putting the content out for. Part of lead generation, we want to be growing our email list. And we'll talk about this more in the engaging with customers via the website video. But we really want to be generating leads, interacting with clients, and building up on the amount of prospects that enter into our marketing funnel. This may well be the initial customer acquisition phase as we take them through the funnel, giving us opportunities to cross-sell to related products and services, or refer to other companies within our market space as we look to do joint venture deals. It could be that we have something within our portfolio that another company doesn't have. And if we're doing this right, they can refer people to us, we make the sale, and we pay them a percentage of the sale. Or we could be cross-selling customers from one product service combination to another product service combination. And of course, there may be opportunities depending upon the portfolio of products that we have to actually upsell clients. And then again, it depending upon the marketplace that we're in, the opportunities to build into our strategy to actually increase buyer frequencies. That's the selling part of and there needs to be intent to every post, every piece of content that we create and put out there with the selling aspect in mind. There's also the social media networking aspect of things, where we want to be earning media mentions. As I mentioned before, we want to be developing strategic partnerships. And this works both ways. We can also reach out.